Let me show you how you can create this login page without any code. We will use AI to create a login page like this. Without much more time waste, let's go. Guys, AI IDE is an AI-powered integrated development environment designed to accelerate coding by combining traditional programming tools with advanced AI assistance. Let's download setup first, and then we will install it later. After download is completed, run setup and install our IDE. Once installation completed, we will start our IDE. Once our IDE is opened, now open a folder or a project file where we will test our IDE. As you can see, I had opened my past project of Next.js. Create your account and you are good to go to use this AI. You can see this command prompt panel. If it is not coming, then use Ctrl+U. Now we will say our AI to create our login page for us. You just need to accept all the files that our AI will request us that it can use it. As you can see, our AI has gave us code, and you can see that it gave us this beautiful and animated login page. Without any code, we created a login page literally in a few minutes. That's it for today's video. Hope you find it informative. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel.